Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Merry Christmas to everybody here. Today in this video, I will not tell you about any flower plant. Today I'll be telling you how you can grow your own kitchen garden in pots only. Today I'll be telling you about one special plant, which is the tomato plant, and how you can grow it in a small pot only. Do any of you recognize these flowers? These flowers are the radish flowers. In our garden we have beetroot, turnip, spinach, brinjal, tomato, radish, carrot, lettuce, flat beans, chili and many different kinds of green veggies. These are all organic and my mom fertilizes them with homemade fertilizer only. Those who want to plant vegetable plants while planting flowers as well, you can all watch this video. Whenever we pick up organic vegetables from our organic garden, it's just a very good feeling. In today's video, I will tell you about what kind of fertilizer we should give and many kinds of cares we should give this to the plant and how to do pest control. First up, we need to see about the soil preparation. We need to fill our pot with high quality potting soil to about an inch from the top rim. Here we have a mixture of 50% garden soil and another 50% includes vermicompost and kitchen waste compost. If you don't have either the kitchen waste compost or vermicompost, then you can only use one of them. And if you wish to, you can also use little amount of banana peel fertilizer or eggshell. But when sowing seeds, my mom has used neither of it. You can use dried seeds or fresh seeds for sowing your tomato plant. Within 1 week, this germinates. If you wish to, you can put 2 to 3 seeds at the same pot and then when they germinate, put them in other pots. Or just plant them in individual pots. When there will be about 6 to 7 leaves on the plant, then we will start using the next fertilizer. In here, my mom has only used a bit of kitchen waste compost only. In here, you can use any kind of nitrogen-rich fertilizer, any kind of vermicompost of your choice. Make sure to add a layer of mulch as it will really help the plant, especially in this cold weather. Even though my mom hasn't added a mulch to our plant right now. And if you could, you can add a support system to your tomato plant. Make sure that the support system is added to the container when you plant each tomato plant. Waiting until the plant is larger may disturb the growing of the roots. If you are growing container tomatoes in the yard, the cage can be inserted into the soil of the pot. As soon as our tomato plant had some fruits and lots of flowers, my mom started using the next fertilizer. And as the plant is growing, make sure to cut all the lower part of the plant's excess leaf. This time the fertilizer needed is potassium and calcium rich fertilizer. So to complete all the potassium, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus and other micro and macro nutrients needs, my mom is going to give eggshell and banana peel crushed. You just need to sun dry the banana peel and the eggshells and then crush it and give it to your plants. Oh, and make sure to water constantly. Water plants in the morning to provide hydration all day and enable damp foliage to dry during daylight hours. Apply water directly on the soil and minimize moisture on the leaves, which can encourage blight and fungus. And about the sun requirements, tomato plants require full sun, which means at least 6 to 8 hours per day between the hours of 10 am and 4 pm. So make sure to add 5 to 10 ml of bioenzyme to 1 liter of water to your foliages weekly. This will prevent any kind of pest attack. That's all for today. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.